Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So today I'm doing a regular 2 buns with some hair down. I'm nervous. I'm only nervous because, like, is my hair gonna be able to cooperate without fake hair, you know? We will see. We will definitely see. But okay. So I already had it parted in the middle, which was easy for me. And definitely a lifesaver. A time saver. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And then I'm going to part this. I always have this little piece. Is it just me? Like, this little piece right here, like right here, just be stuck. Like, why is it stuck to my head? I don't know. I do not know. Okay. No, that's not all of it. Wow. The little earpiece want to give me trouble. Okay. So we got our 2 bun pieces. This is gonna be a quick, easy style, y'all. Honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be here that long. Okay, so I'm going to take this bunny, put it out the way. We don't need it. Y'all can see that I'm looking through the mirror, can't y'all? That's horrible, OMG. Maybe, okay, hold on. Maybe if it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Okay, actually, that would be what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to do this without looking at anything. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that would definitely make it harder. Clean out my brush. Yeah, this is about to be hard. This is about to be hard. Okay, so, okay. We ain't doing baby hairs today. I'm not even gonna try. Okay, so I am definitely still looking at the mirror. I suck. I'm a cheater. I'm all about fairness, but like there's a big bathroom mirror like in my view. Like it's kind of hard not to look, but okay. Get a little eco styler. Oh. And jut it up, jut it up, jut it up, jut it up. It be my sides for me. It be so like fuzzy. Okay. You see they still fuzzy. I just can't win, can I? You can't win. Something. You can't win, child. You can't begin, and you can't get out of the game. Do I look a little flat, do y'all? That bun looks a little flat, doesn't it? Yeah, we definitely gonna make it unflat once I get this bun working and cooperating. Oh, but do y'all know that song? You can't win, you can't begin, and you can't get out of the game. No, you can't win. I should should watch The Wiz. I definitely should go watch The Wiz. Okay. This one went up a little smoother. Thank God, because I was gonna cry. Okay. And leave it to me to put the ponytail on the last little loop. Okay. And then I'ma just okay. This one's wider though. I like this one, but now I gotta make it shorter. I mean, a little smaller. Okay, got my little buns. Now working on the back. Break your back to this. Break your back to this. While you pop it, let it blow a stack to this. What this style took like what? 5 seconds. I like my hair to be drenched. I think that's literally what I'm gonna title this, like 5 second. Okay, well, of course it's not 5 seconds, but you know, just have an imagination here. But like quick and easy 5 second cute style. Like, why not? You can't begin and you can't get up to the game. I'm just a whore for 2 buns. I think that's really what it is. And my hair is full. My hair is full. Yeah, I literally used to have the thinnest hair ever. I mean, it's still pretty thin compared to, like, you know, a lot of people. But since I cut it, thickness has been on my side, y'all. Thickness has been on my side. But okay, we are done. This was like the quickest style I've done ever. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back because we are not done. It is only day, what, 22? We have 31 days in October, so yeah, keep coming back. 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 I wish I could see me. I don't know how people be getting full body like coverage while doing hair content. I don't get it. But okay, see you guys. I don't know what it is that you done do it, but it's caused me to act in such a crazy way. You know how to be holding them runs. Whatever it is that you do when you do what you do it, it's a feeling that I want to stay. Cause my heart starts beating triple time with thoughts of love. I had to do triple, you see? So I was doing like 1, 2, 3, triple time, you know? With thoughts of loving you on my mind. You see, on my mind. I can't figure out just what to do. Look, I'm a TikTok dancer, creator, and a maker. I'm a TikTok dancer, creator in the making. No, you gotta add a little hip. Y'all can't see my hips right now. But okay, I'm done. Bye.